NASA's mysterious object sending radio signals to Earth in recent years. NASA has been at the forefront of investigating strange and unexplained phenomena in space. One of the most intriguing discoveries occurred when a mysterious object in space began transmitting radio signals toward Earth. Initially detected by radio telescopes, this object's signals raised immediate questions, not only because of their unusual nature, but also due to the potential implications of extraterrestrial intelligence. The object, located far beyond our solar system, began sending intermittent bursts of high-frequency radio waves, a phenomenon that quickly captured the attention of the scientific community. The signals are unlike anything we have encountered before, and their origin is still a subject of intense study and debate. But before we dive deeper into the specifics of this discovery, it's essential to understand the history of radio waves in space and how scientists have been able to detect and interpret them. Radio signals in space. A brief overview. Radio waves are a form of electromagnetic radiation, just like light, but with much longer wavelengths. While radio waves are commonly used for communication here on Earth, space is filled with them as well. Throughout space, radio waves are emitted by a variety of objects, including stars, galaxies, black holes, and even planets. These signals often contain critical information about the object that emitted them, helping scientists study everything from the properties of distant galaxies to the behavior of solar systems. However, the detection of unusual radio signals from unknown sources presents unique challenges. The first major breakthrough in detecting extraterrestrial radio signals came in 1967, when astronomer Jocelyn Bell Burnell discovered a regular series of radio pulses, which came to be known as pulsars. Pulsars are rapidly rotating neutron stars that emit beams of electromagnetic radiation. These regular pulses made them relatively easy to detect, and have since been studied extensively. Yet the signals detected by NASA's radio telescopes are far more mysterious than anything seen before. Unlike pulsars, which emit regular and predictable pulses, these signals seem to vary in both frequency and duration. Some scientists have speculated that the object could be an unusual type of pulsar, while others have suggested that it could be something far more extraordinary, a sign of extraterrestrial life reaching out to us. The first detection, a signal from the far reaches of space. It all started when a team of astronomers at NASA's Deep Space Network, DSN, noticed an unexpected pattern in the data they were receiving from one of their radio telescopes in California. The DSN is responsible for maintaining communication with spacecraft throughout the solar system and beyond. One day, while analyzing data from a deep space probe, scientists noticed a strange radio signal coming from an object in a distant part of the Milky Way galaxy. At first, the signal was faint and irregular, but its presence was undeniable. Over the course of several weeks, the signal grew stronger, fluctuated in frequency, and showed patterns that suggested it wasn't the result of a typical cosmic event, such as a pulsar or quasar. Astronomers were faced with a puzzle. The signal wasn't just random noise, it seemed to have some form of structure and consistency, unlike anything previously observed in deep space signals. As the signal persisted, scientists began to seriously investigate its origins. The object's location in the galaxy put it well beyond the reach of our solar system. This meant that the signal had to be traveling across vast stretches of space, which raised even more questions. What could be producing these signals, and what could they mean? NASA's response and the search for answers. NASA quickly mobilized to investigate the unexpected signal. A team of astrophysicists and engineers began analyzing the radio data using the most advanced tools available. They also contacted other international space agencies, sharing their findings and asking for help in tracking down the source of the signal. As the data continued to come in, it became increasingly clear that this was not an anomaly in the normal background noise of space. One of the first tasks was to rule out possible natural sources of the signal. Many natural cosmic phenomena emit radio waves, including the powerful bursts of stars, magnetic fields, and high-energy particles. However, this particular signal didn't match any known characteristics of these sources. Pulsars, which are known for emitting consistent radio pulses, could not explain the irregularity. And variation of the signal, similarly, radio emissions from black holes or quasars, had distinct patterns that differed from those being detected. As scientists continued to scrutinize the data, they discovered that the object appeared to be positioned in a region of space that had never been studied in detail before. It wasn't located near any known star systems, nor did it seem to be associated with any known celestial object. In fact, its location was baffling, leading to further speculation about its origins. At this point, the theory that the signal could be coming from an artificial source was raised. The idea that a technologically advanced civilization might be sending radio signals to Earth had always been a subject of speculation, but the discovery of this mysterious object brought that idea into the realm of possibility. The mystery deepens. An artificial signal. If the object in question were indeed sending radio signals to Earth, it would mark the first direct evidence of potential communication from an extraterrestrial civilization. But the question remained, what kind of civilization could be sending these signals? Were they trying to reach out to us, or were they simply a byproduct of a natural event that we don't yet understand? In order to investigate this further, NASA enlisted the help of SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, an organization dedicated to the search for signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. SETI has been listening for signals from space for decades, and while they have detected many potential candidates, none had ever been confirmed as evidence of alien life. But the signals from this mysterious object were different. They were structured and emitted with regularity, hinting at the possibility of an intelligent source. The possibility of intelligent life sending radio signals to Earth raises profound questions. What would this mean for humanity? Would we finally be able to make contact with another civilization? Or would this discovery lead to new insights into the nature of life in the universe? These are questions that scientists are now grappling with as they work tirelessly to decode the signals and understand their meaning. Challenges of interstellar communication. Even if these signals are indeed the result of an alien civilization, there are still many hurdles to overcome. The signals are incredibly faint, making it difficult for scientists to detect and analyze them accurately. Also, the distance between Earth and the object sending the signal is so great that the information we receive is often delayed. In some cases, scientists have to wait weeks or even months to receive data from distant objects in space. Another challenge is understanding the nature of the signals themselves. Although the signals are clearly structured, their meaning is still a mystery. Are they messages intended for us, or are they simply the result of some unknown cosmic phenomenon? And if they are messages, what are they trying to say? Are they signs of a civilization far more advanced than our own? Or are they a form of communication that we simply don't yet understand? Scientists also face the challenge of distinguishing between genuine extraterrestrial signals and possible interference from man-made objects or natural phenomena. The signals detected by NASA could be the result of cosmic interference, or they could come from an unknown source that is yet to be discovered. The future of space exploration. Could this lead to first contact? The discovery of this mysterious object and its radio signals has sparked renewed interest in space exploration. If the signals are confirmed to be artificial, it would mark a watershed moment in the history of human space exploration. For the first time, we would have direct evidence that we are not alone in the universe. The implications of such a discovery are profound. It would reshape our understanding of life in the cosmos and challenge many of the assumptions we have about our place in the universe. The discovery of extraterrestrial intelligence would have far-reaching consequences for science, philosophy, and even religion. It would force humanity to confront the reality that we are not the only intelligent beings in the universe, and that the cosmos may be teeming with life. In response to this discovery, NASA and other space agencies are preparing future missions to study this object further. New telescopes and spacecraft are being designed to better capture the signals and study the object in more detail. These missions could open up entirely new avenues of exploration, giving humanity the tools to answer some of the most fundamental questions about the universe. While it is too early to say what the true nature of this mysterious signal is, one thing is certain. This discovery has reignited our curiosity about the cosmos and our search for extraterrestrial life. Whether these signals are the result of a natural phenomenon or the first evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence, they have already expanded our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Conclusion: the promise of the unknown. The discovery of a mysterious object sending radio signals to Earth is one of the most exciting developments in space exploration in recent years. It opens up new possibilities for humanity's quest to understand the cosmos and our place in it. Whether these signals are the product of an alien civilization or the result of some unknown cosmic event, the discovery raises profound questions about the nature of life in the universe. As we continue to study the object and its signals, we are reminded of the vastness and complexity of the universe. The fact that we can now detect and analyze signals from distant objects in deep space is a testament to the incredible advances in technology and our ever-expanding knowledge of the cosmos. For now, the mystery remains unsolved, but the discovery is a reminder that the universe is full of unknowns waiting to be explored. As we push further into the unknown, we continue to search for answers to some of the most fundamental questions about life, the universe, and our place in it. The search for extraterrestrial life. A historical perspective. The search for extraterrestrial life has fascinated mankind for centuries. While the discovery of an object sending radio signals to Earth is a relatively recent event, the idea of life beyond our planet has long been the subject of scientific investigation and speculation. For decades, astronomers and scientists have tried to answer a fundamental question: are we alone in the universe? One of the earliest organized efforts to search for extraterrestrial intelligence was initiated by the famous astronomer Frank Drake in 1960. Drake developed the Drake equation, a formula for estimating the number of active, communicating alien civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. Although the Drake equation was based on many assumptions, it helped shape the field of astrobiology and the search for life beyond Earth. In the years since, radio telescopes, observatories, and dedicated space missions have expanded our knowledge of the universe. However, the vast distances involved in space exploration and the lack of definitive evidence have made the search for extraterrestrial life a daunting task. The radio signals detected by NASA represent a potential breakthrough, but their nature remains elusive. SETI and the search for signals from space. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has played a key role in the search for extraterrestrial signals. SETI scientists have been scanning the skies for over half a century in the hope of detecting man-made signals that might indicate the presence of intelligent life beyond Earth. SETI's approach is based on the assumption that, just as humans communicate using radio signals, alien civilizations might do the same. Radio telescopes around the world, including those at the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico, have been instrumental in this effort. And the Green Bank Telescope in West Virginia have been used to monitor various regions of the sky. These observatories listen for patterns in radio emissions that could indicate intelligent design. However, despite decades of searching, SETI scientists have found no confirmed signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. The radio signals discovered by NASA may change that. Although no alien signals have been confirmed, SETI scientists have discovered some strange phenomena over the years, including fast radio bursts, FRBs, which are intense flashes of radio waves coming from distant galaxies. These FRBs are short-lived and highly energetic, but their origins remain unclear. Could some of them be the result of extraterrestrial civilizations? Or are they simply natural cosmic phenomena that we do not yet understand? The answer is still unknown. The detection of the mysterious object sending radio signals to Earth could represent a turning point for SETI and the broader search for extraterrestrial intelligence. While the object's signals are still being analyzed, they could provide the first direct evidence of intelligent life outside our solar system. The scientific community is eager to explore every possible angle to understand what these signals might mean. Technological advances and the role of AI. As the search for extraterrestrial signals continues, one of the most significant advances in space exploration has been the development of more powerful radio telescopes and the use of artificial intelligence, AI, to analyze vast amounts of data. The signals from the mystery object in space are incredibly faint and difficult to detect. requiring sophisticated technology to capture and interpret them. One of the key tools in the search for alien signals is the use of AI algorithms to sift through vast amounts of data. With radio telescopes generating huge amounts of data every day, it's virtually impossible for human scientists to analyze it all manually. AI allows researchers to automate the process, using machine learning techniques to spot patterns and anomalies in the data that might otherwise go unnoticed. Machine learning algorithms can identify unusual signal patterns, helping scientists identify potential candidates for further study. In the case of the mysterious radio signals detected by NASA, AI could be used to improve analysis and filter out background noise, allowing for more accurate measurements. AI could also help determine whether the signals are artificial in nature or simply natural phenomena not yet fully understood. AI is also helping to optimize the design of future space missions. For example, AI-powered autonomous spacecraft could be used to travel to distant objects in space, collect data, and analyze it in situ, reducing the need for constant communication with Earth. This would be particularly useful for missions that travel to areas of space far beyond the reach of our current technology. With the power of AI and new advances in radio astronomy, humanity is better equipped than ever to explore the mysteries of deep space and search for signals from alien civilizations. But as the object sending out radio signals continues to baffle scientists, the question remains, are we really on the brink of first contact? The implications of a potential discovery, philosophical and ethical issues. The discovery of extraterrestrial intelligence, if that is what the radio signals from the mysterious object represent, would have profound philosophical and ethical implications for humanity. For centuries, humanity has grappled with the idea that we may not be alone in the universe. But the realization that we are not the only intelligent life forms would be a seismic shift in our understanding of existence. The first ethical consideration that arises from such a discovery is how humanity should respond to the possible discovery of an alien civilization. Should we attempt to communicate with them, and if so, how? Scientists have long debated whether or not humanity should actively send signals into space through programs such as SETI's active search. Some argue that contacting alien civilizations could have immense benefits, while others warn that it could be risky. In the past, humans have only tried to communicate with radio signals and other transmissions, but the response, if any, has never been received. A key ethical concern is whether it is wise for humanity to engage with an unknown species. In the past, human history has shown us that when two civilizations meet, the consequences can be unpredictable and often dangerous. The arrival of European explorers in the Americas, for example, had a devastating effect on the indigenous population. With the potential discovery of extraterrestrial intelligence, humans may face similar risks. On the other hand, the scientific and technological benefits of communicating with extraterrestrial civilizations could be immense. An advanced alien civilization could possess knowledge and technology far beyond anything humanity has ever imagined. What could we learn from them? Could they help us solve the pressing problems we face on Earth, such as climate change, disease, or energy production? Philosophically, the discovery of extraterrestrial life would also challenge many of the beliefs and assumptions we hold about our place in the universe. For millennia, religious and cultural traditions have shaped our understanding of human existence, often placing humanity at the center of the cosmos. The realization that we are not the only intelligent life forms could lead to a reassessment of our place in the grand scheme of things. It would also spark a renewed interest in the nature of life itself. What constitutes intelligence, and what does it mean to be human? The search for other life. The role of exoplanets and habitable zones. One of the key areas of focus for astronomers in recent years has been the discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. Using advanced telescopes such as the Kepler Space Telescope, scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which are within the habitable zone of their stars. The habitable zone is the region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. While many of these exoplanets are too far away to study in detail, some are relatively close in cosmic terms. In the coming years, new telescopes such as the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, will allow astronomers to study the atmospheres of exoplanets in more detail. By analyzing the composition of an exoplanet's atmosphere, scientists may be able to detect signs of life or even technology. The discovery of biosignatures, molecules associated with life, could indicate that a planet is capable of supporting life. As astronomers continue to search for Earth-like planets in the habitable zone, the discovery of the object sending radio signals to Earth has added a new layer of excitement to the hunt for extraterrestrial life. If the signals are confirmed to be artificial, they could provide the first real evidence that we are not alone. It would be a monumental discovery, providing a sense of connection with the cosmos and confirming that life exists elsewhere in the universe. Conclusion: the uncertainty of space exploration. As scientists continue to study the radio signals from the mysterious object in space, they are faced with the uncertainty of what it might mean. The possibility that we may be hearing from an extraterrestrial civilization raises profound questions about the nature of life in the universe and humanity's place in it. Whether the signals are the result of extraterrestrial intelligence, a natural cosmic event, or something else entirely, the discovery is a reminder of the vastness of space and the mysteries that lie beyond our reach. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey that will continue to unfold over the coming years and decades. With new technologies, international cooperation, and a growing sense of wonder, humanity is poised to explore the unknown. The signals from this distant object could be just the beginning of a new era in space exploration, one that brings us closer to understanding the nature of life and intelligence beyond our planet. The mystery remains, and humanity's search for answers continues.